how to redeem your Google Play points. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you have already collected much of the Google Play points and don't know how to redeem it, don't worry, we got you covered. So to do this, first thing first, open your Google Play Store. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find different options. So on bottom right hand side you will find this option U, so tap on it. Now scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option Get Play Credit with Points. So here you will find different options. So simply select whatever you want to redeem. So here let me tap on this one. And here on bottom of your screen you will find this icon of Google Play Points, so tap on it. Here as I don't have enough points so I cannot tap on it. But if you have enough points then simply tap on it and then you will be successfully able to redeem Google Play Points. So this is how you can redeem Google Play Points into Google Play Credit that you can actually spend on games or any apps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.